Hey there, my name is Estefany, and I am a Women in Science intern. My internship was based on ants and their relationship with the microbial world. Originally, I knew nothing about ants, but thanks to my supervisor, Dr. Corey Moreau, and PhD student Manuela Hamayo, as well as research assistant Matthew Boot, I was guided through the art of ants. And let me just say, there was a lot to learn about. In symbiotic relationships, we have one organism living off another organism in a manner that benefits both. In this case, we are studying this relationship between ants and bacteria. Ants obtain amino acids as well as other nutrients within their daily diet, not to mention processed nitrogen, as in the case of the Leishmania bacteria. They also protect when it comes to viral resistance, as in the case of the Wolbachia bacteria. For my internship, I worked with the Campanutini tribe, which consisted of the genus Campanotus, also known as the carpenter ants, and the Polaracus, who are also known as the spiny ants. The first step involved obtaining your specimens. In this case, the specimens I worked with were from many parts of the world. We began in the lab with the DNA extraction of the specimen. The second step is to place the samples in the PCR in order to amplify a single or a couple of copies of a single strand of DNA, which will create multiple copies of a certain DNA sequence. Sometimes waiting for that takes hours, so we pass time by holding a micropipette competition. We want to confirm if our samples work, so we use gel electrophoresis. The fourth step is to do a purification followed by a sequence analysis using Sanger method. Afterwards, we obtain the DNA sequence through the computer and we begin with the bioinformatics. And through a lot of software, we create this beautiful tree. With these phylogenetic trees, we observe how closely related these ants are, especially through their coevolution with bacteria. I was blown away to find out how certain specimens were distant relatives, or how far these ants have evolved. Though I was very much impressed by how the people around me were ant obsessed.
Why ants? Why ants? Because they're one of the most ecologically important groups of organisms on the planet. They're found in almost every habitat across the globe, and they're beautiful. That's why.
And you girls, you are interested in science too?
Don't lose this opportunity for next year.